Hi, I am Shreya from Escala Realty. This is Kevin. Hi, sir. How are you?
Hi Shreya, welcome home. I'm very
Fine.
well, thank you. And here I am in Goa Greens, taking care of my place, of course, and the rest of the property with the partners.
So then what do you think what will be the future of investing in Goa Greens?
Okay, Shreya, as you can see, we have its peace and tranquility around here. We're surrounded by the Sahyadri range. We have the glorious Mount Kasainath in front of us, and the air quality is top notch. This place is paradise 80% of the year with beautiful cool winters and fantastic monsoon where everything is greened out. And we have emphasized on greenery all the way around. That's what we're here for, to have a higher quality of life and standards.
So then what all amenities does the Goa Greens provide?
Yeah, we have the clubhouse which is 8,000 square feet, and it is built up with top and bottom, with a clubhouse, with a restaurant and a conference room and a dining area. Okay, and fully equipped gym, of course. And we will be greening out the whole area of the clubhouse. We have a swimming pool which is 82 feet long by 42 feet wide. So it's going to be state-of-the-art, fully equipped. The children's area, we're going to have a tennis court, a basketball court, and a full play area for the children, with the tennis court as well, of course. So it's all going to be together in the perimeter of the property.
So can you please tell me the topography of this project?
Well, where we're located, here to be straight on facts, it's 50 minutes from Mopa Airport to here. Distance-wise from Goa-Maharashtra border to Goa Greens is about barely 4 kilometers. In fact, 3.6 to be specific. And in barely 10 minutes from the border, you're right into Goa Greens, in the heart of paradise and luxury, if you want to make it that way. And the beaches around very close, just like I said earlier, to Panjim is 45 minutes, and closer are the beaches from here to Goa.
So what is the significance of this mountain?
Well, this mountain is Mount Kasainath. It is 2,200 feet tall. It has a shrine visited by the locals and outsiders, of course. And it's very, there's a beautiful view and a beautiful shrine.